A man who stays silent after being disrespected is the one you should truly fear. Silence doesn't mean weakness. It shows control, patience, and power. While others react in anger or frustration, he chooses to hold back, observing and thinking. He knows that words spoken in anger can be reckless, but silence allows him to plan his next move wisely. People who stay quiet aren't ignoring what happened. They don't need to prove anything with words, because their actions will speak louder when the time is right. They understand that respect isn't demanded, it's earned. And those who underestimate them often regret it. True strength is found in self-control. When someone doesn't react to disrespect, it means they're choosing their battles carefully. They're not afraid. They're simply waiting for the right moment. And when they do act, they do so with purpose and precision. So don't mistake silence for surrender. The quietest person in the room might just be the most powerful.